Innate inmost is a desire to defend the helpless, to make right what is wrong. But what if you were causing another harm without even knowing it? Would you even want to know? Every day, unseen atrocities occur all over the world. Women and children enslaved for the dark pleasures of those willing to pay. Precious souls robbed of dignity and freedom, and in the end, their very lives. It happens more today than in any other point in history. The problem seems insurmountable. What can one person possibly do? But the battlefront is closer than you might think. In fact, it may already be inside your home. The very thing that feeds sex trafficking is the thing you may have indulged in last night. Pornography. Pornography is the starting seed, the gateway to an industry that degrades and destroys the lives of millions. What you see on the page or on the screen is not a lifeless, soulless being. Rise up and defend them. Give them hope by your refusal to give in. There is no condemnation, no shame or judgment for what you've done. What's past is past. But there is a calling to stand your ground, to look temptation straight in the face and know there's much more than your own interests at stake. Rise up and defend the ones who can't defend themselves. Rise up, man up, and draw the line you'll never cross again. Your no is the beginning. You may doubt you'll make a difference, but all things great are made up of the small. Your no is her hope.